Everybody, it's Dina Packwa of EmbodyTheSacred.net, and I wanted to share a little bit today about the upcoming events with Sherry Whitfield and the Ancient Crystal Skull Synergy coming to our area July 31st through August 3rd of this year. So they're coming up in a little over a month, so we're very excited. And Keith and I, my partner, have been working with Sherry and Synergy now since about 2009. Keith and I both had an interest in crystal skulls and had worked with the crystal skull, ancient crystal skull Max, for a few years already. And then we met Sherry and Synergy, and we're really just blown away by Sherry's kindness and compassion and ability to zero in on specific past lives and specific issues to help us heal and move forward and grow spiritually. And we found their work to be very, very powerful and enlightening. So we were hooked. And so we continued to work with them for the next few years. And then in 2015, we were honored that they were willing to come up here to New Milford and work with us and our community and have continued to do so, except for a few years during COVID when it wasn't a good idea to travel. But anyway, we're very excited that they're coming back, and we've seen year after year people really be affected in a good way by working with Sherry and Synergy and able to move forward, maybe where there were some blocks and obstacles that weren't able to be cleared up before. We've seen people really transform and grow and heal in different ways that other modalities didn't really seem to shift. So they really offer something very unique and really beautiful and very heart-centered. And Sherry's connected to the indigenous tribe where Synergy originally came from over 40,000 years ago, believe it or not. And Sherry's had Synergy researched in labs, and it's true that his carving date, if you can call it that, goes back over 40,000 years to the ancient culture of Lemuria. And then has traveled to various areas in the world, was never sold, was handed down from medicine person to medicine person. And Sherry has been on her own journey for many years and offers her unique healing gifts and perspectives, and also her knowledge of crystals and crystal skulls. And unfortunately, there's a lot of fraud in the crystal skull field, especially, and even just in the metaphysical field in general, which is really unfortunate. So there are a lot of skulls out there that are purported to be ancient or even old and have all of this, information and knowledge, and that's not always the case. But Sherry and Synergy are the real deal. And we hope that if this calls to you, that you might want to come and join us this time. Alrighty. Thanks so much.